Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is schema. Schema refers to the structure of the data within Salesforce. It defines how objects, fields and relationships are organized and interact within the Salesforce database. The schema is essentially the blueprint of the Salesforce database, and understanding it is crucial for building and managing applications in Salesforce. The Salesforce schema is foundational to building applications, managing data, and customizing Salesforce to meet business needs. Understanding how objects, fields, and relationships work together is essential for both declarative and programmatic development within the platform. Use of schema in Apex. In Apex, Salesforce provides schema-related classes and methods that allow developers to dynamically access metadata information such as the objects and the fields in Salesforce. Schema.s object type allows access to the metadata about the object such as account.s object type. Schema.describe field result allows retrieval of metadata information about a field like its label or data type. Get information about the account object. Schema.s object type account type equals to schema.get global describe dot get account. Schema.describe s object result describe result equals to account type dot get describe method. Get information about a specific field on the account object. Schema.describe field result equals to account dot name dot get describe method. System.debug field result dot get label method is to display the information about the field. System.debug field data type field result dot get type method to display the information about field data type. Thank you.